So uh, let's talk about arrays today. We'll start with the first file .html, one.html. So we will create the array in JavaScript and we will try to manipulate it. This is the script tag. Now, how to create the array? So there are different ways to create the array. You can say some name, for example, my array is equal to, I will show you now first way to create the array is a new array. I can say new array and I can put values in it. And then if I do console.log of my array and I'll preview it in browser, let's do the console.log. So you see the array is there with z0 key 0 value key value key value. So this is one way of creating the array. We can also create the array like this, my array 2 equal to new array. I just create an empty array, then I will say my array 2 with 0 index equal to value 1 with 1 index value 2 2 index value 3, and then if I do console.log of this, I will be able to see this is the array normal one, this is array 2. So both are same value and different ways of creation of the array. There is another way also which we generally use for my array 3 is equal to empty rectangular bracket, and then I can add the element by putting my array 3 0 number. You can put some value 1, or I can also put the value with my array 3 dot push, and I can say some value 2, and I can display the my array 3. So these are the two ways to push the 3 ways to create the array. So now I have some value 2 1, some value 2 in the third array. So either I can add the array value using 0 1 2, or I can add the value using push. Push will automatically enter the element and the end of the array. So
Yes.
this is the 3 ways to create the array. Now if I tell you, let's forget these two methods which we don't use practically. So let's say I put red color here, I'll put green color here, and I'll put yellow color here, and I put blue color here. If I run this my array, so it's saying red, yellow, red, green, yellow, blue. Now if I want to access the yellow, what should I say? I want to access the yellow. My array, what should I put here?
2.
2. So it's saying yellow. If I want to access green, what should I put? Green.
1.
1. So this is correct. So we want to use the numbering system. So I can manually put 1 and 2, and I can read at particular level what the value is. But if I want to use for loop, how will I use the for loop here? So I can say for var x equal to 0, x is less than, there are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. So I'll say 4, and I'll say x plus plus. And now if I want to print the value at x is, or how will I write the value of 0 element?
My array
My array
X.
x. So it will initially it will say 0 and it will display first one. Then it will go to 1 and it display this one. It will go to 2, it will display this one. It will go to 3, it will display this one. So
Yes.
basically, let's see. Okay, there's some array. It's not my array, it's my array 3. Okay, so it's saying 0 red, 1 green, 2 yellow, blue. Now if I want to get the size of the array, how many elements are there in this size? What will I say?
How many? Array size. Length. Length.
So what should I type?
My array. Length.
Length, right. If I say length, it will give me the size of the array. That will be 4, because there are 4 elements.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's say I have the 3 elements in the array, 4 elements. Now I want to make it a string and I want to join all this one. So what should I write in the JavaScript? I will create a variable. I will say mix equal to, I want to, I want to make it red, then green, then yellow and blue. I want to type something like this. That means I don't want it in array format. I want it in the string format with all the values. So what should I use?
Joint.
Join. So I will say my array 3 dot join, and here I want to tell how I want to join. So if I just don't put anything, it will join without any space. So if I do console.log of mix, let's comment this one. Let's comment this one. If I refresh it, so all is coming without any space because I did not give anything here. If I give one space here, and if I try to refresh, it is having one space. If I want to put comma so that each should be separated by comma, then I will use this and you will see comma is there.
Comma and space. Yes.
Right. Comma and space.
Yes.
Okay, so now let's take one exercise, small exercise. I will create var array equal to my a new array like this. Then array 0 is equal to, I will say I, array 1 is equal to, I will say like, array 2 equal to JavaScript. So now I want to display this in a one string, so I can say console.log add.join and I will give space single quote space single quote. So it will say I like JavaScript. Let's think I like JavaScript.
Oh, I see.
So it joins all the element. Now let's say I have element red, green, yellow, blue. So red is first time 0 number, green is 1, yellow is 2, blue is 3. Now if I want to let's see this part now. If I want to reverse the thing, that means I want blue first, yellow second, green third, red fourth. So I will use array reverse kind of thing. Okay, so we will use like this. So we have the array let's make it ARR, easy to remember.
Oh, I remember last time we using the for loop and start with the 1, 2, 3, 4.
Right, right. But now we will be doing using the function directly, that is array air dot reverse, that is the JavaScript function. This will reverse. Otherwise, we did for loop and we manually reverse it. Now this one will automatically reverse the element. So
And
if
the join.
I do now reverse equal to air dot join, and I will say comma, and I will then console dot log of reverse. Let's see what is coming.
Blue, yellow.
Blue first,
Yes.
red, yellow, green, and red. So we are reversing the element, and
Yes.
then we are joining it. Okay, we did this thing, and other thing also we'll do, because lot of array thing we did, we are repeating the things.
Yes.
So now what we do, another thing is slice. We will use a slice. Let's do the slice. I will save it as 3. Okay, let's create an array with some values. I will say console.log air is air, and I will create some values. Maybe I will say A, B, C, D, E, F. And now I will say now I will create a variable x equal to air dot slice. I am slicing. I am saying 2 comma 5. Now what it does, it will extract some elements from index 2 to index 5 minus 1. And now if I do console.log of x, and I will also do console.log of air again. Let's see what is coming in this one. So this is initially array with A, B, C, D, E, F. Now I did the slicing from 2 to 5. So 2 means 0, 1, 2. 2 is C. So 2 to 5. 5 means actually
F.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5
Right.
minus 1 up till here. So
Oh,
the last part is the last part which we are doing in the slice. So if I write down the help for the syntax, array dot slice means start, that it will be 0 or 1 or 2, and the last one will be the last minus 1. So if I'm saying 5, that means it's 4 actually. If I'm saying 6, actually it is 5. So
yes.
so here if I'm saying 2 to 5, 2 means 0, 1, 2, C, to 5 means actually 4.
4. E.
2, 3, 4, E, up till E. So it will go up till E. But this array is remaining same, A, B, C, D, E. Array is same, only we took some of the elements and I put it in a new variable. And what is the variable name is X. X is X. So the original array will remain same, only we took in the X variable, we took the sum of the elements of the array and we save it. So that is called array slice.
Yes.
Now, if I want to sort it, sort means we need to arrange it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kind of thing. So I'll use 4.html. Let's sort it. Sort is kind of array.sort. And I can use like var array equal to, and here I will put the value 2, 5, 3, 1, 4, 6. Now I will say air dot sort. This I'll say air dot sort, and air will automatically get sorted. Now if I do console dot log of air, you will see in the sorted format. Go to the 4. So it's saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually here it's a random number, and then when I sort it, it arranges into normal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
So we can also
Shorting number, but not shorting string.
string also should be sorted. Let's try string.
Or maybe by A, B, C, D.
Right. Let's say I'll say red, green, apple, mango, banana, or the string.
Sure.
Yeah,
Apple first, B.
banana,
Yes.
green, go red. So
Oh, I see. Okay.
it sorts both. Okay, let's save it as 6. Now let's make this as Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And do this here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now if I do console.log air dot to string, we are converting string by the keyword called as to string, and we'll see how it goes. So I say to string, so it is automatically converting into some join with comma. We are not saying to join with comma, it automatically converts into join with comma.
Yes.
Let's see if I want to find the find the element in this one. Let's make one more one, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's make one more, Tuesday again. Give it a 7.html. Now here I want to specify a particular element, means whether if I say var is equal to, if I say air dot index of means it will search the string in this array. So for example, if I say Wednesday, search for Wednesday, I use index of Wednesday. That means search for Wednesday, and I will say console.log num is num. I'll see what is saved in this one, whether it will say 0, 1, 2, 3, what it is saying. It's saying 2 because it's 0, 1, 2. So it's saying 2 because it's searching for all the values and matching with it, and it is finding this Wednesday at the number of 2. So it's displaying 2, 0, 1, 2. Let's do the Tuesday. So it's number 1. It takes the first occurrence. So Tuesday is here also, it will take the first occurrence of the Tuesday. Let's do the Monday.
No 3. Only 1?
Only 1. It gives the first occurrence. First means whenever it finds the first time.
Oh, first time, and it's done.
Right, it's done. Then it will not go ahead and search. If I say Monday, it's saying 0. That is called index of.
Yes.
Now if I want to go the last occurrence, means I want to find the last occurrence of this Tuesday, I can say last index of. If I say last index of, it will go from backside and find the last one, which is the matching. So
3, 4,
3.
3.
0, 1, 2, 3. let's say 3. So it goes from the from the end.
Yes.
Okay, that's it for today. We will continue array tomorrow. We have many other things to understand in the array. Though we have done all these things, we will do, and then I will give you short project like I did in the previous one. Also, I give one project. So now I will give one short project also on the arrays. So that's
Yes.
it. Let's stop the